Hi everyone, Certified Healthy Mama Coach Christina here. I'm making my lunch and so wanted to come on and talk to you while I did that. If you come on live, say where you're from and how you're doing. If you're catching the replay, hashtag salad bowl. So I got these containers on Amazon. They hold the veggies and the fruit. And so I bought, it was like one pair for $20. And we liked them so much that we bought a second pair. And my family loves these because they come with these little cups. And I fill them with the vegetables or fruit. So super easy to do. My husband loves this. It makes it super easy for him for lunch and also Bella's lunch, everybody. And it makes our fruit and vegetables very easy to grab and eat because they're already prepped and they're already ready to go. So literally it takes me not even 5 minutes probably to make my lunch when I have a salad. So I just put greens in my bowl. I keep those separately because I keep them in a paper towel lined bag, as you can tell. And then another trick I do for protein. So if I'm having an E, I use a can of chicken. If I'm having an S, I do rotisserie chicken. So I buy a rotisserie chicken when we do meal prep and I shred it or pull it apart, whatever, and put it in a sandwich bag. And then I just kind of make it smaller because got in a hurry on Saturday. So, but it just makes it super quick, super easy to do this. And then like there's no mess. I'm not having to cut up chicken or cooked chicken. I mean, you could cook it like in your Instapot or air fryer and then shred it if you want. But to me, I just love this, and rotisserie chicken is delicious. So it's a super easy, quick prep thing that you can have chicken just ready to go. Of course, tomorrow's Friday, so instead I'll probably do salmon pouch or something for a meatless Friday. I just do a good portion. I should be using my food scale to make sure of my grams, but I'm not. That's okay. Okay, so that's done. And then I just take whatever vegetables that I have on hand. So I have green onions, so I'm going to add those. I like green onions on my salad. Mushrooms. And I just take them out of the container and pour them on. Like, it's that easy and quick. Mini bell peppers. And then once my cups are empty, I just put them in the sink and I wash them. And then they go right back into my container. And because I keep extra vegetables that don't fit, I keep in another container. And then I just refill as needed. And then when I run out of those, I know it's time to go to the store and get more vegetables. But it's helping make sure that I'm getting in my vegetables as much as I can. So as you can tell, I already have, take your phone. I already have a lot of these already empty. I don't know how to really show you because this thing is so weird, but so I have empty containers already and empty spots. So they'll just get refilled up. The lid goes back on, goes back in the refrigerator. Because the whole point is I want to be emptying those, right? This has made it so much easier for me to have fresh fruit and vegetables. So because this is an S salad, I'm going to be adding strawberries. because that's a fuel pool. Great antioxidant. Forgot to grab my feta cheese out, so I'm going to do that. So I don't do a lot of cheese. I do like to do feta and Parmesan. My body tends to do okay with those. You could totally leave off the cheese. Not necessary. And here's my salad. I'm just going to add the dressing to it, but it's a full big salad. All right. I hope that you have a great rest of your Thursday, and I will talk to you later. Bye.